Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Wednesday the 7th of June. And as always guys, we are going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Lots to do, let's get started. So the first trade from yesterday was this. It was Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, and we were looking for shorts. Why were we looking for shorts? Well, structurally, we were in a downtrend, and we were back at this important level here. Yeah, it was once support and now potentially good resistance here. And we were just trying to take this trade, potentially back down to these lows. So that was the trade idea. We'd also had, a couple of wicks. Yeah, these wicks had bounced off this grey zone. All right, so we were looking for a breakdown on lower time frames. And as you know, guys, yeah, the Australian dollar, the interest rate decision was 25 basis points better than expected. And then we got this. That sound effect signals, extreme buying. And of course, yeah, if your interest rate's better than expected, we're going to see strength in the Aussie dollar. So, we were waiting for that to come out. As soon as it did, kind of all bets were off, guys, really. I might be interested if it starts breaking down here today. Yeah, and I'll let you know on the VIP Discord. But yesterday, nothing, guys. It just shot up, and we wanted price to break down. Okay, we wanted to see price do something like this and break down. All right, but it didn't. Okay, so just no trade on Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. We was also looking at this trade, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, which has been one of the most frustrating trades ever. Because let me explain. Let's start with the day chart. So what were we seeing? Well, we were seeing an uptrend, yeah, and we still are. Yeah, price is clearly in an uptrend. All right, and the idea was just to come back up to these highs. Okay, that's the idea. If we zoom in a little bit, guys, you can also see price bouncing off of this support, bouncing off of this moving average 20. All of these candles in here tell me buyers, really, yeah, because we've got this buying candle here that starts to move, and then we've got this wick and this wick that keep rejecting this zone. So as long as this zone holds, yeah, we can still take the trade back up to here, but it needs to hold. Let me show you on the lower time frame, guys. Let's look at the H1. So it's all about this zone through here. Yeah, we've got, price has reacted historically through here. Yeah, and it continues, itchy nose, bear with me. So it's at a real, important level right now, guys. Yeah, if it breaks these lows, we're not interested in this trade. I've been in this trade since over here. Yeah, so I'm still in this trade and been managing this trade. So yeah, we need to see if these lows hold and we get a push off, then okay, this trade is potentially still on the cards. But if it breaks this level, yeah, I will, take my hedge down to these lows and see what happens. Having said that, we did have a couple of entries. If we look at the H4, guys, because this has become a bit of a H4 play. What does worry me is this. Okay, so on the H4, we were clearly in an uptrend, all right? But now, arguably, are we seeing lower highs? Yeah, this concerns me. If this is, we will get a break of these lows. Yeah, because selling pressure is building up. So we shall see today, guys. Yeah, but that H4 is not looking too encouraging. But it was a bit of a H4 play. Once we got this candle at these lows, we were thinking, let's take price higher again. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, we had this. This would have been a good entry candle, guys, yeah? At our grey zone, back at these lows, this would have been a good trade. But you know, hindsight's a wonderful thing. Price has been coming against us ever since. So yeah, it's been a tricky trade, guys, because of all of this. I mean, look at this price action. You know, we're off. No, we're not. 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 And just looking at this price action, you know, price is potentially breaking down. So yeah, this may break today. All right, guys. So we did have an entry, but you know, I don't potentially like this trade anymore. But that was Swiss franc Japanese yen. We were looking to buy this pair. And finally, guys, we have one more trade. Gold. You are gold. Gold, where are you? So yeah, we was also looking at gold, guys, and we still are today. All right. It's all about this weekly zone. Yeah, if we zoom out, it's all about this weekly zone in here. Yeah, because it's diagonal support, moving average 20 support, horizontal support. There's a lot of support in here. If this level breaks, forget it. Yeah, short gold. But if it holds, we can still buy it. All right, so that's the weekly chart. If we now drop to the day chart, and what I'm seeing, guys, is a downtrend stroke range. All right, so price has been coming down, but now it's found this level here. All right, and then price popped up and it's found this level here. So price is sort of between, you know, this range now. Okay, and if we zoom in now, yesterday's trade was just because of this bullish candle was to take this range, you know, take price to the top of this range. All right, and this was our target, 1978. So that was the idea, made sense, and it's still on today. This will still be a trade idea for today. If we drop down to the H1, again, we didn't get as big a response in this grey zone as I wanted. So price did come down. Yeah, come down, tested here, come down, you know, and we did get a bit of a bit, you know, I mean a bit of a wick. But look at this candle, very bearish. No candle here told me that buyers were in control. This is the problem I have with this trade. So it came down into our zone. Yeah, great. But this does not tell me buyers are in control. This doesn't. And you know, this potentially does, but we're hitting straight into resistance. So again, today I'll be looking for a retrace down to here, and then I'll be looked to enter once we get that bullish candle. I need to know buyers are in control if I want to buy a pair. Yeah, as simple as that. So gold, yeah, I'm still looking to get in on this trade today, guys. All right. So those were the three trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades. Yeah, today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button, guys. And if everyone can stop what they're doing and smash the like button. Everyone right now, guys, smash that like button because it helps push and support the channel, guys. Smash the like button. Merci beaucoup. Gracias, dankeschön. Right, guys, yeah, so trade ideas for Wednesday, the 7th of June. Before we get started, let's just mention a few cool things that our channel does. So we've got a free Discord, guys. You can come and join it. It's free. Yeah, you get trade ideas, you get knowledge, chit chat, indicators, useful links, books. Yeah, loads of cool stuff on there, guys. So come join our free Discord. We've also got VIP Discord. You do have to pay for this, but you get direct access to me throughout the trading day. You can ask me questions throughout the day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. And you also get exclusive content, guys. Yeah, nobody else can see it. And also, yeah, you get access to a performance coach. So lots of cool things on the VIP Discord. Also, guys, we run a mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached or mentored by myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information. Okay, guys, the email is on our channel or in the video description. And we also do a YouTube membership now. So if you would like to support the channel, if you watch our vids every day, come support us. Yeah, join YouTube membership. Yeah, there's some cool little perks to joining. And finally, guys, we do a live stream 8 a.m. New York EST, Monday to Thursday. Come join us for that. Get your questions to me. Fire your questions at me. And everyone smash the like button. Thank you. Right, trade ideas for today, guys. So we're looking at a couple of pound pairs. All right, so the first one is this. This is pound Swiss franc. All right, so yeah, you can see that price was in an uptrend. It messed around in here for days and was frustrating the hell out of all of us. And then bang, it shot up. It's come back down. You know, this was once good resistance through here, is now potentially good support to take price back up to these daily highs, this 1334 level. All right, so structurally, that's what we're seeing. If we zoom in now, guys, you can also see we've had a bit of a, not a super bullish reaction, but a bullish candle. Okay, so all I'm looking for now is a build up on the H1. So let's take a look at the H1 now. And what I want to see, guys, has pretty much already happened. Yeah, so as you can see, as price comes down, yeah, we've been in a downtrend. Okay, and then there was this level through here that eventually has broken. So for me, we are already in a H1 uptrend. We've got higher highs. Yeah, higher highs. All right, and now all I want to do, guys, is see price, you know, retrace into here somewhere. Okay, and I just want to see a real bullish reaction out of this grey zone. All right, if I zoom in a little bit, guys, yeah, you can see it more clearly. Yeah, so price has, you know, broken this last high here. We just want price to come down. I mean, this could potentially be a low, but I just want to see a bullish candle come out of this grey zone. Once I see that, I can enter and hide behind the entry candle. All right, and then I'll just be looking to follow H1 structure potentially all the way back up to here. Yeah, and what we can do, guys, is just, you know, potentially trail our stop. Yeah, once we get that, you know, that reaction we wanted, bang, yeah, we can then enter. Maybe we get something like this. Yeah. Okay, sorry, guys, ignore that. Yeah, perhaps we get something like this, guys, you know, and then we can just trail our stop accordingly. All right, so that's what I'm looking at for pound Swiss franc. Yeah, we're looking to buy this pair back up to this blue line here. The second pound pair we are looking at is pound New Zealand dollar. Okay, so let's take a look at the day chart. So this has just reached a very interesting level. So a similar idea to pound Swiss franc. Okay, so yeah, we were in a downtrend. As soon as we break this high, we're in an uptrend. But you know, if we start buying up here, you know, I talk a lot, guys, about this value. If I start buying up here, yeah, there is no value. Yeah, no value whatsoever, none. Okay, once price retraces down to here and touches this last high, yeah, here, lots of value. Yeah, we like value, and we can potentially take price back up to these last highs. All right, so that's what we're looking to do. It's literally this, the low of this candle has literally touched the top of these candles by a pip, pretty much. Okay, so now we just want to see a bounce off of here and take it up to here. I will actually put in my target. My target will be, okay, let's go with this target. This will be my conservative target, this 20600. But you could leave it potentially, you know, some on the trade to even take up to these last highs. So guys, what do we want to see? We want to see a reaction in this, in this gray zone. Yeah, we've had a bit of a reaction in terms of wicks, okay? But what we really need to do, guys, is look at the H1, all right, and see what we get, okay? And what I'm looking for is a structure break. So I was just looking at price action there, guys. It's a little bit scruffy. But if we follow down the H1 structure, we are at, we're, pretty much like this. Price has been contracting. So what do I want to see? So let's put this gray zone in here. So first of all, this is a more conservative trade. So I would like to see a break out of this gray zone. All right, price come up, maybe it tests it a bit, and then we get a break. Once we get a break, we can enter, put our stop below here, and look to take price higher. So that would be less aggressive. More aggressive, yeah, would be this, guys. Arguably, when we get here, and we get if we got a bullish candle that broke this high, yeah, say this candle here, then for me, we have had a H1 structure break. We've broken this last high. That would be quite an aggressive entry, okay? But we could enter here, put our stop below here. We could even take some profit off here. Take a little bit of profit off because we're probably going to get a reaction. If it does come back down, yeah, wait for the break. And then we can enter more, put more money onto the trade again as well. All right. So, yeah, pound New Zealand dollar, guys, we're looking for buys. So, yeah, we could buy a break of this H1 structure here. That would be quite aggressive. Or we could wait for a break of these highs here, okay, and take price higher. But we're looking for buys. So that's pound New Zealand dollar. And then the last trade for today, guys, is gold. You are gold. And before I start this gold trade, guys, and show you what I'm looking for, if everyone right now can smash the like button. Everyone, guys, because it's really helping push the video. So if everyone could smash that like button right now, I need to hear clicking of smashing of like buttons. Yeah, much appreciated, guys. So what are we seeing? So we've already, covered this in the recap a little bit, guys. But this level here is super important. If this holds, we're okay. If this breaks, stop buying gold. Simple as that. Okay, because this is a very important level, diagonally, horizontally, moving average 20. Okay, if we drop down to the day chart, not much has changed from yesterday's trade idea. Yeah, we are in a downtrend stroke range. Okay, so price has been bouncing from here and here. Yeah, it's not breaking this level. Yeah, and it's not breaking this level so far. All right, so it's going to find itself in a range, perhaps. How long for? We do not know. So bearing that in mind, guys, and the fact that we've had, two bullish candles for the last couple of days, we can potentially take price back up to this level. So my gold trade idea hasn't changed. My target's still the same. Yeah, and we've pretty much got the same setup. On the H1, guys, what do I want to see? So there is, I'm going to move this grey zone up a little bit now. So there is this level here. H1 has arguably been ranging a little bit itself. So there's a couple of things I would like to see. First of all, price comes back down into this grey zone. Yeah, and we get a bullish reaction. Okay, once we get this bullish reaction, we can enter and start taking price higher. Okay, or if that doesn't happen, yeah, you can see there's a zone through here that's been holding. Okay, so H1 structure has been bouncing off this level. It's been holding so far. The next idea would be something like this. If we get a bullish candle that breaks through this this resistance. Yeah, we could enter here, put our stop below the swing lows, maybe down here somewhere, and look to take price up to that 1978 level. Okay, guys, so a couple of ideas on gold and how to trade this long. All right, guys, so yeah, they're my trade ideas for today. If you've enjoyed my trade ideas, smash the like button. Merci beaucoup. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 7th of June. So overnight, guys, we have had some disastrous GDP figures coming out of Australia. Look at that. It was expected 0.8% and it come out at 0.2. That's a real decline in growth. So, you know, we had that important interest rate decision, which was better than expected from the Royal Bank of Australia. And now we've had these figures. So this might bring some weakness back into the Aussie dollar. So, yeah, interesting. If we carry on down, guys, the first piece of news we're interested in today, keep scrolling, is this. Yeah, this is big daddy news, guys. Yeah, 3 o'clock, London GMT, we got the interest rate decision of Canada. Yeah, this is obviously going to make the Canadian dollar go mental. So, yeah, we've got the interest rate decision itself and also the rate statement. And sometimes, guys, it's the rate statement that makes price move. You know, if this comes out as expected at 4.5%, then it really depends what was said in this rate statement. This can give us the volatility. Okay, so yeah, must be aware of this news, guys, especially if you're in a Canadian dollar pair. And then after that, guys, half an hour later, 3:30, we've got crude oil inventories coming out of the US. So this can affect the US dollar, the Canadian dollar, and obviously oil. And then after that, guys, we've got nothing else. You are free to trade after that. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's the video finished for today. Don't forget to join us for our live stream at 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready. And also, guys, keep smashing the like button and supporting the channel. We appreciate it. All right. See you later, guys.